Hello everyone, I'm Ananya Sharma. Today I'm going to show you how to disinfect the product which is coming from outside through online delivery. Now I'm waiting for my delivery to come. Oh, there he comes. First tip, don't forget to wear your mask to meet outsiders. Always maintain social distance of at least 1 meter.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Your delivery, please.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I need your signature.
Okay. Third tip, always use your own pen for signature. Fourth tip, always wash your hands after receiving any product from outside for 20 seconds. Fifth, and the most important tip is everyone must have hair dryer in their homes. You can desanitize the product. You can see now the temperature is 20 degree, and with the help of the hair dryer we can increase the temperature up to 60 degree, which can kill coronavirus.